But first I would like to create a new file, and from the template I'll select the architectural template. This now takes us to a new project file. I would like to change my unit from millimeters to meters. Okay, now let's start drawing out the walls that will host the roof. So for that, move your mouse to the architectural tab and select the wall tools. And from here, select a rectangle from the draw panel. I would like to change the height constraint to level 2. And after I've drawn my walls, I'll move to level 2 to start drawing the roof. While in level 2, go to roof and select roof by footprint. Set the overhang to 60 centimeters. I would like to change the roof type. Make sure that the peak wall is selected. So pick the walls. So if you want to create a gable for this entire wall, you select this roof line and go to where it says define slope and uncheck it. This now creates a gable for this side only. So going to 3D to view our roof, that is what you get. Okay, now if you want to create a gable on this other wall, but not for the entire wall actually, maybe for just a small portion of this side, then you need to use a different approach. For that, let's go to split line and split the part which you want to use for the gable. So after that, make sure define slope is on check. From here, select the slope arrow. So the slope arrow will move from the first point of the split line to the center of our gable line. So do the same for the other side. Now select the arrows and on your property panel change this to slope. Select both arrows and change them to slope. You can finish the roof. I'll move to 3D. So that is how you create a gable for a full wall or for part of a wall.